What's up everyone, welcome in another video. Today we are doing something very exciting. We are going on a trip. When I say we, it's me and my friend. I'm super excited because this is the first time I travel alone with a friend. Whatever. This is gonna be fun. I'll film everything that I can. I'll see you guys then.
What up everyone, quick update. Just stopped in this beautiful, you got water coming out. My friend went to the bathroom and we're just here chilling. This is the bike. Look at this beautiful view. There we go. Oh, wow, I could literally camp here for days. Wow, it's so beautiful. Up again. We just stopped in this beautiful view. I'll show you guys. This is the view we get while driving. Fucking amazing. I hope y'all doing good. The reason I'm laughing is we finally saw snow. And we're going. We literally just stopped by just to film. We just took a little rest. We went up this small mountain. Drinking a little of tea, and yeah, we're just enjoying the view. Those are the bikes. That's my friend there. Just enjoying the little snow we got here. We're happy. We'll drink tea and we'll finally go to Oukaimden. We already see the mountain, by the way. It's really close. It's not that far. They got that one there as well. Guys, I just found some beautiful mushrooms coming out here. Really small ones. I don't know if they're good or not. I'll see you guys in a second. We're finally in Oukaimden. We're here, guys. It's really snowy. We're about to have fun. We're gonna go up here, and we're gonna do some slides, and I'll try and film everything. Everyone, welcome again. New update. We had so much fun, and now it's 5:30, and this really kind man really gave us unbuilt house, and he just allowed us to go in for free, and I'm so happy, man. I'm so gassed. I'm so tired as well. We're gonna try and eat and sleep early so we can wake up early and have the most fun till tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up, y'all? Welcome. This is day 2 and I woke up early. My friend didn't. He was a little tired. We just ate breakfast and right now we're attempting to climb this one. Hopefully we'll get to the top. Well, not hopefully, I'll try to get to the top. My friend said he probably wouldn't, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it's a sunny day as well, so some might say it's bad, but some might say it's good. But the sun's reflection is a little too high, so my head already hurts from now. Hopefully we'll get somewhere. And I'll try and film everything from above. It's gonna be very, very panoramic. We're gonna have a really beautiful view from up there, and I'm gonna try and film everything. As y'all can see, as we go further and further, the snow becomes softer. So when you put your leg and you apply pressure, there's at least 10 centimeter hole. So it's really hard to continue, but we're almost halfway through, so there's not much left. Man, oh man, look at the view from here. %100% worth it. We're almost there, by the way. We're just gonna be there, just right at the top, and we gotta go down again. And yeah. Try and step on rocks because they're solid and they're deep in the snow, so we're almost there. About 10 meters. Try and climb there and then we're all good. But it's fucking hard, it is. That's what it is. But you got one woman there. She's climbing. That's who's inspiring me right now to climb this. See that woman climbing? I'm trying to climb as well. If she can do it, I can do it. That's for sure. And I don't need to tell you about the view, because it's a fucking legend. Look at this. No money in the world could buy you this. We came from there where the people are. Right there. We climbed all the way to here. We did it literally in the summit. Well, the summit of this mountain, because there's a bigger mountain, but we can't go there because it's sort of illegal, so we can't go there. We can't go there, but My friend is a little bit tired. He's there trying to climb. But yeah, this is beautiful. Look at this view. This is the whole kind of town from there to there, and there's that lake there, and it's really good fucking view. Worth every second and minute spent in this. This is really beautiful.